Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to work with Roman numerals. First of all, we'll start with the basic idea. We should know that V is equals to 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is for 100, D is for 500 and M is for 1000. Remember that we cannot have four of any of these numbers together in a sequence. Maximum is 3. So for example, if I have to write 40, I will not write, this is 10. Let me start with the basic idea. 1 is for 2 and then 3 and then 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the numbers, and this is for 5 as I said up here. Now for 6 I will write V and I. Remember that in Roman numerals, if we write a small digit next to the bigger digit, we are adding it up. I repeat, if you write small digit next to the bigger digit, we are adding them up. So 5 plus 1, this is 5 and this is 1, so 5 plus 1 6, and this is 5 and 1, so this is minus, so 5 minus 1 is 4 and 5 minus 1 is 6, and then 7, 5 and 2, like I said, 5 and 2, and then 8, so 5 and 3. Now for 9 I will not write 4 of these numbers, 4 of these digits. You see, this is for 1, so if this is 1, I can use maximum 3. I cannot write 4 to make 9. For 9 I will minus 1 from 10, so 1 from 10. Now 10 is what? X. Then I will go for 11. So for 11, 10 plus 1 is 11. Then for 12, 10 plus 2 is 12. For 13, 10 plus 3 is 13. Now for 14, 10 plus 4, this is 10 and this was 4, so 14. Remember that in Roman numerals you break the numbers to make them easier for you. Now for example, if I am writing 236, I know that 100 means C, so I will write C and C to make 200. For 30, 10, 20, 30. For 6, 5 and 6. This is my 236. For 384, I will write C, 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 300. For 80, I will write what? 50, 50, 50, and then I have to make 80, so this is 50, and then 3 of these, 50, 60, 70 and 80. Then for 4, 84. Alright, now 248, so 200, like I said earlier, C and C. 40 is what? 40 is X and L, because 50 minus 10, 50 minus 10, because here L is 50, X is 10, so 50 minus 10, 40, and then 8 is what? 8 is this, so 248. Now for example, I am writing 875. Now for 800, I will use first 500, which is at the top. 500 is here, so I will write D and then 500 plus how much I need to make 800. So 500, 600, 700 and 800. This is 800 done. Now 70. For 70, 50, 60 and 70 and then 5. So this is 5, 6, 7, 800, 70 and 5. This is how we are going to write our Roman numerals. So 800, 70 and 5. I will write 632. For 600 I know this is 500 and 600, then 30 and then 2. Remember that C and D means I am adding C in this. If I will write D and C here, so C is smaller, like I said earlier, C is what? C is 100 and D is 500. If I am writing smaller number before the bigger number, so this is 500 and this is 100. So guess what I am doing here? I am trying to write here 400. So 500 minus 100. I cannot do it like C, C and D, saying that 100, 100 and 500. So from 500, I am subtracting 200. I cannot do that. This is wrong. This is not possible. I can write bigger number and then I can minus. For example, 1985. So first of all, 1000 is what? 1000 is M. Like I said earlier at the top, 1000 is M. Then this is M up here, 1000. Then 900 is what? 900 is 100 minus 1000. Now 100. So now when we say that 1000 M, for 900 cm, For 8, this is not 8, remember this is 80. So for 80, 50, 60, 70, 80, and this is 5. So this is 1985. So 1985 is the Roman number of 1985. Now, for example, 2340. 2000 means M and M. So this means 2000. Then 300. 300 means C, C and C. 40 means L but minus 10. And then this is it. So 2340 is the number. I hope this will clear the idea about the Roman numerals. For any confusions, for any comments, let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much. Best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.